Hello, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you how to connect your noCRM account to your Outlook calendar. So it's very easy. Just go here and then to Tools. Then you need to scroll down to the Connection section and then click on Calendar. And once you're there, you simply need to copy the URL that's here. Then you open your Outlook calendar, of course. You go here to Open Calendar from the internet, and then you paste it here. So right click and paste. Then you say OK. And that's it. Your noCRM calendar is installed. So now whenever you set a new date and time for your leads, it's going to appear in your calendar. Thank you. Bye-bye.